Tonight, the barber's chair may be the new therapy couch for parts of Rockford where mental health care support is desperately needed. Local barbers and beauticians have come together to create the Barbershop Project. Eyewitness News reporter Rianne Weil learned about the project and its benefits. Rianne, what did you learn?
Wendell, it's designed to give these employees the basic knowledge they need to address issues that their clients present to them. Through collaboration with the Family Peace Center and NAMI of Northern Illinois, they've received education and training. And tonight, they shared some ways we in the community can help those around us who may be struggling.
Suicide is a serious subject that nobody really likes to talk about.
The Barbershop Project and its partners have created a way for those in the community to receive the correct tools and education needed to handle situations related to mental health, domestic, and sexual violence. The project was first announced last year and has since grown in both resources and popularity.
Our membership has grown, community interest has grown. We've been happy to invite new and different community members every time we've met, and the conversations have been really excellent as well. The community, in addition to the barbers and beauticians who come to these monthly events, have really seemed to have aligned around the goals and the interests of this project as well.
The program offers monthly community conversations on topics related to mental health and trauma to create a safe place for discussion. Brandon Tillman is one of the organizers and says the program is directed towards barbers because they come off as trustworthy to clients, but it's still beneficial to all.
Everything that we do is open to barbers, beauticians, estheticians, and community members. People who are providing those type of services as a bit of a touchstone, a trusted individual that community members go to frequently.
One resident in attendance, Keisha Henderson, says this type of conversation isn't always easy, but it is crucial.
It's not talked about in the Black community as much, and I feel that these resources will help people to be able to recognize and acknowledge and know the signs to help others that may be thinking about or help someone that has dealt with suicide with someone in their family or someone they know.
And Tillman says projects like these help destigmatize the issues of mental health.
When we don't talk about it, we don't seek solutions to address these issues. Mental illness, mental health is a problem in our communities that needs addressing.
NAMI says they're able to supply this education with funds from the Mental Health and Substance Abuse Service Tax. Members of the Winnebago County Board have recently announced their request for voter approval to extend this tax past its current expiration date of 2026 to 5 more years. Wendell?
Rianne, thank you. Nice story.